Want to start earning from YouTube? Whether you're a content creator looking to turn your passion into a paycheck or just curious about the process, this guide is for you. In this video, I'll show you the step-by-step process to apply for YouTube monetization in 2025. Stay tuned. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear understanding of what it takes to start earning from your YouTube channel. Before we begin, make sure to like this video and subscribe if you find this tutorial helpful. Your support helps us create more valuable content for you. Step 1. Check monetization eligibility. This is the first and most crucial step in your monetization journey. First, check if your channel meets the monetization requirements. You need 1,000 subscribers. This is a significant milestone that shows your channel has a dedicated audience. 4,000 watch hours in the past 12 months, or 10 million shorts views in 90 days. These metrics ensure that your content is engaging and watched by many. No active community guidelines strikes. This means your content adheres to YouTube's policies and is safe for all audiences. To check, go to YouTube Studio, click on Monetization, and see if you're eligible. It's a straightforward process that takes just a few minutes. Step 2. Apply for YouTube Partner Program, YPP. This is where the real journey begins. If you're eligible, you'll see an Apply Now button. Click it to start your application. This will initiate the process of joining the YouTube Partner Program. You'll go through 3 steps. Each one is essential to get your channel ready for monetization. 1. Accept YouTube's monetization terms. This is a legal agreement between you and YouTube. 2. Set up a Google AdSense account. This is where you'll receive your earnings. 3. YouTube will review your channel. This review process ensures your content meets all of YouTube's guidelines. Step 1. Read and accept the monetization terms, click Agree and Continue. Make sure you understand all the terms before proceeding. Step 3. Set up Google AdSense. This is crucial for receiving your payments. Step 2. You need a Google AdSense account to receive payments. This account will be linked to your YouTube channel. If you already have AdSense, just link it. This will save you time and streamline the process. If not, click Create New AdSense Account and follow the steps. Ensure all your details are accurate to avoid any issues later. Use your real name and bank details for smooth payouts. This is important to ensure you receive your earnings without any hitches. Step 4. YouTube Channel Review Process. This is a critical step where YouTube evaluates your content. Step 3. YouTube will now review your channel. This can take days to weeks. Be patient and keep creating quality content in the meantime. To avoid delays, make sure your content is in line with YouTube's policies. Your videos follow YouTube policies. This includes adhering to community guidelines and avoiding any prohibited content. No copyright violations or reused content. Original, high-quality uploads. High-quality content is more likely to be approved and attract more viewers. Once approved, you'll get an email saying, "Congrats, you're in the YouTube Partner Program." This is a significant milestone in your YouTube journey. Step 5. Turn on ads and start earning. This is where you start seeing the fruits of your labor. Now, go to YouTube Studio. Monetization and turn on ads for your videos. This will enable you to start earning from the ads displayed on your content. Choose which types of ads you want. Skippable ads, non-skippable ads, display ads. Each type of ad has its own benefits and can help you maximize your earnings. Super chats and memberships. These additional features can help you earn even more from your most engaged viewers. And that's it. You're now officially monetized and ready to earn from your content. Congratulations on taking this big step towards becoming a successful YouTuber. If this video helped, hit the like button, subscribe, and drop a comment if you have any questions. Happy earning. We look forward to seeing your success stories.